Serve the protect and serve the community like that. Oh, there's a dog. I knew there was a dog somewhere. What's up, buddy? Oh wow, the other one's huge. Jesus. That's a monster. That's all. It's not like filthy dirty. It's just what happens over life when, you know, dirt and stuff slowly. Yeah. Oh yeah, put a little hot water in to kind of cut the oil. Yeah, hot water is good.
Sealer in the Slate shower.
Yeah. Hello, hello. Back at it. We're out here in Davis, California. We're doing Slate. We're doing a huge floor. The purpose of this video is Slate in the shower. A couple pros and cons. Because for one, you can see it's beautiful. You can see all the nice color. You can see where the sealer's held up. It looks really nice. But now when you come over here though, you can see where the sealer hasn't held up. You can see where the customer over the years has been trying to use something to clean it. And what I was explaining to her is you can't clean things that are trapped in the sealer. So if you look at my test, and this is what I was showing her, and also I was just to verify to even to myself that this was sealer, not hard water, which they thought it was. And there could be some hard water in here. So Slate's beautiful. You know, Slate's from my heart. I love Slate. It goes with a lot of, you know, it's real, brings the outside inside, real natural, really makes you feel like you're outside. And like you can see the shower, makes you feel like you could be in nature under a waterfall, you know, all that romantical crap, right? But to me, it's not 100% practical for a shower just because it is so freaking porous. It's one of these ones, like if you don't stay on top of the maintenance and get these sealed, you know, you got to think, you know, you take a shower, maybe 2 showers a day, 7 days a week, 30 days a month, you know, 365 days a year. I mean, these things get a lot of constant water. And my experience is that these shiny topical sealers in heavy water conditions don't hold up. And I don't give a shit who makes it. I don't oil, lacquer, varnish, silicone, blah, blah, freaking blah. I've never, ever seen a sealer hold up in water conditions like we'd all like it to. So that's the purpose of the video, is when you're, you know, planning your beautiful bathroom remodel like this lady did. She's now, I'm going to tell you a brief story. They're retired cops from out here where we live, and they're moving to Montana, so they're selling this house that they remodeled and really took care of and fixed up, and they lived here for 25 years, I think. So they're moving to Montana and buying a ranch, and they're getting in their more senior years. So, but we're here to kind of spruce this thing up, you know, help them get top dollar on the market for their house. You know, my goal is when the new people, because she told me when she bought this house, one of the things she loved when she saw it was all the Slate, which is throughout the house and then here into the shower. So we kind of want to keep that dream alive and keep that vision alive, because I already know the next person that buys this house is going to walk in and they're going to see the Slate floors and see all the stuff that we're doing. You know, we're leaving our mark on, I should say, and it's just going to add value to the house, to the property, and people are just going to be, you know, because the floors are the first thing you do. I mean, yeah, paint's cool and, you know, light fixtures, I mean, you can replace all that, you know, but the floors and this stuff is permanent. It's a real, you know, it's the character of the house. You know, so it's real important that we get it all looking nice. So I'm actually going to even strip all this, even though it looks nice, to take off the old sealer, and we're going to switch over to more of a penetrating, enhancing sealer, which will leave it more natural looking, but put a nice bulletproof surface on it, so when the water hits it, it sheens off. It doesn't just saturate into it, because that's when you start actually having the damage and the problems with the water damage, is that it'll soak in, and then as it dries out, it soaks in. Again, you took another shower, dries out. Doing that repeatedly over time, it starts to soften it, and you know, this is, you know, comes from the earth, so over time it kind of softens it and breaks it down, and that's you know, that's basically what we're trying to prevent. And that, you know, but on the flip side of that is she did seal it, so yeah, even though it turned white, it actually did its job, and when I strip it, it all should look amazing. So that's the kind of the pros and cons with the sealer. They turn white, they don't hold up, but it does, like I said, all this stuff will be gone and it will come off while it's just in the sealer. So that's kind of the tricky part about these sealers, because they're not bad, because they do protect, but they just all turn white because water gets into it. So Anyway, stay informed, people. You know, just, you know, a lot of this stuff that I'm starting to realize is you guys don't know. So I'm trying to plant these seeds or thoughts in your head so that when you're doing this stuff, you're thinking, because, you know, the contractors, they're all great guys. You know, they all have a mom and kids and, you know, but they're not, you know, they don't necessarily know about sealers. You know, they know about installing it, and you can see the installation's amazing. But he didn't tell her, oh, seal this once a year or every 6 months. So that's, you know, you have to kind of keep yourself informed on that so that you're not, you know, because usually these guys do your job, they leave, you know, may not ever hear from them again, skip town, they may start another business. I mean, who knows? So that gets to a point that now you gotta ask the guy at Ace Hardware or the guy at Home Depot, or then you start asking your gardener and you start asking all the wrong people. And then, like I said, she was in here she told me she tried everything, you know. It's funny because you ladies all make me laugh. Like I said, you're all so cute. You guys take your cleaning so serious, and you're so prideful in keeping your home clean for whether yourself, kids, your husband, whatever. But you guys all call me and I scrubbed it. I tried everything. I was sweating, and I can just picture you guys in here like with your workout stuff on in here, just ah. So anyway, she tried everything. You guys are trying everything. It gets to a point where things are uncleanable. This has to be stripped, which is a chemical stripper I use, which is removing all of it. That's the only way to actually get it all, you know, back to where we want it, which is going to be like new. And once I do all that, I'll show you guys a little bit of that more towards the end of this video. But right now, I actually got to do that. So stay informed. Don't be a clone. Have a good day. For now, you'll be hearing back from me in about a couple hours. But anyway, though, I'm going to get to work.
Ready, sir? Good. That just settled into your corner. And introduce you to the creature of flight.
This one will, dog passing that bullet holes right here on the runway. They want to skip the housekeeper, get you right in the hair.
You didn't come by, sir.
Hey. Just wrapped up the project. Purpose of the video, or the end of the video, I wanted to show you what I did, but I also want to show you that as perfect as I am, when things are taken care of from the beginning, some stuff's irreversible damage, like tape ripping the surface off. In this case right here, the water puddled right here. And it's actually really dark still a little bit because of the sealer still drying. But see these white right here? That's where the water puddled the last 10 or 15 years, and it just damaged the surface. And I tried every trick, everything under the sun I can think of to get them better. So I think I got the shower 95%. The floor will dry out and look more like the walls. The grout will be more even and that good stuff. And I used a good color enhancer in here. So preventative maintenance, people, seal this stuff right. 6-tier maintenance. The guy's gonna sell it to you, or the lady. The guy's gonna install it for you, or the lady, but nobody's gonna tell you how to seal it, how to maintain it, how to clean it, how to keep it up. You have to do that diligent homework on your own, because they just don't know. It's not that they don't want to tell you, they're just ignorant to it, just like you are. You just don't know enough. So anyway, though, hope you like what we did. Stay informed, people. Most important of all, just like I said, trying to give you information where you're deciding, I'm gonna put Slate in my shower. Now you may decide not to. Now you may decide to do it, but you gotta stick to the maintenance. So that's the purpose of this, of putting this stuff for your guys' awareness. So I'm done. I'm wrapping it up. Tired. Been a long day. We're out of here. Like us, subscribe, share, and most important of all, people, to stay informed. Don't be clones out there.